Paano kung walang work o trabaho si Pag-ibig member? Good question, ma'am. Sige po, may personal answer tayo and tips sa inyo. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una, ma'am, ang gawin ninyo po ay ito po. Number one, be an active member. Yes, ma'am, kahit wala ka ng work, monthly pa rin tayo magbayad sa Pag-ibig contribution. Sa ngayon po, 400 po ang monthly ni Pag-ibig contribution. Kailangan po maging active member kayo, ma'am, para ma-enjoy pa rin natin ang loan ni Pag-ibig at dividends annually. Kasi po yung contribution natin, ma'am, nagatubo yan annually through dividends. And if active member kayo, ma'am, kahit wala kang trabaho, pwede ka maka-loan po, multipurpose loan and housing loan. Ayan po. Number two, ma'am, visit Pag-ibig branch or Pag-ibig virtual branch and know if qualified ka sa withdrawal of total savings and dividends earned mo. Yes, ma'am, may grounds for withdrawal. So, visit Pag-ibig branch, ma'am, na malapit sa inyo or online kayo, ma'am, kung wala kang time mag-visit sa branch, may virtual branch si Pag-ibig. Tingnan nyo po kung qualified kayo. Kasi po, pwede na ma-withdraw actually ang savings ninyo and dividends, lahat po ng total savings ninyo and dividends earned, ma-withdraw nyo na po if qualified kayo. May 6 to 8 grounds po si Pag-ibig branch para makuha po lahat ng total savings ninyo and dividends. No need na po na mag-loan kayo. Number 3, ma'am, always remember in Pag-ibig slogan nila, the more you save, the more you earn. For example, ma'am, na-withdraw niyo na po yung total savings niyo and dividends earned, qualified kayo, be a member pa rin ni Pag-ibig. So magpa-member kayo ulit as self-paying na po kasi wala kang trabaho and mag-monthly pa rin kayo sa Pag-ibig, ma'am, ng 400 and after 2 years, maka-loan na naman kayo. Salary loan and or housing loan. Ayan po. Hope na nasagot ko yung question niyo, ma'am. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Lahat ng mga concern ninyo about Pag-ibig, GSIS, and other employees concern, bigyan natin po ng sagot based po sa alam natin or research natin. Ayan po. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.